This is an trend following scalping system multi-time frame based on the Parabolic Sar indicator. The main feature of this system is the fast exit position. Here are the setting for 15 minutes time frame. But the system works also more higher time frame. Time frame 15 minutes. Currency pair major. MetaTrader indicators indicator. Buy sell magic red arrow sell signal green arrow. Buy signal. Setting signal period 4. Parabolic Sar MTF time frame 15 minutes setting Parabolic Sar MTF indicator 60 min. Time frame 30 to 60 minutes setting Parabolic SAR MTF 240 minutes semicolon time frame 240 minutes setting Parabolic SAR MTF 1440 minutes, daily. Trading rules 4. MTF Parabolic SAR indicator forex scalping system. The buy-sell magic generates trades when it paints arrows. Long trades occur when the buy-sell magic shows a green. Short trades occur when the buy-sell magic shows a red. Buy-sell magic green arrow and Parabolic SAR paints dots aqua below the bars. Sell magic red arrow and Parabolic SAR paints dots aqua below the bars. Exit position fast profit target odds /used 7 pips plus spread. Your /used 9 pips plus spread. GBP /used 11 pips plus spread. The MTF Parabolic SAR Forex scalping strategy for MT4 is a multi-time frame-based trading method. It can be used to trade the major, exotic pairs, and even the stock market. Buy-sell margin, Parabolic SAR MTF. Arrow mark indicator is deployed to the X4 files of the system. The Parabolic SAR multi-time frame, MTF, indicator delivers simple, yet profitable buy and sell trading signals for any pair and time frame. The indicator paints buy and sell SAR MTF dots on the chart. A signal to buy occurs when a green dot appears on the chart. A signal to sell occurs when a red dot appears on the chart. It's recommended to use the indicator together with other analysis tools for more accurate trend predictions. The time frame can be changed directly from the indicator's inputs tab. The default value is set to current time frame and quad. MTF Parabolic SAR Forex scalping strategy. This scalping system is a trend following system and multi-time frame based on the Parabolic SAR indicator. This system features the quick exit position. This is a system that works on a 15-minute time frame or higher and is applicable to major currency pairs. MetaTrader indicators indicator. Buy sell magic red arrow sell signal green arrow. Buy signal. Setting signal period 4. Parabolic SAR MTF time frame 15 minutes setting Parabolic SAR MTF indicator 60 minutes semicolon time frame 30 to 60 minutes setting Parabolic SAR MTF 240 minutes semicolon time frame 240 minutes setting Parabolic SAR MTF 1440 minutes, daily. The buy-sell magic generates trades when it paints arrows. Buy-sell magic green equals buy-sell magic red equals red. Buy entry. The green arrow must appear on the buy-sell magic indicator. The Parabolic SAR must paint a magenta dots above the bars. Sell entry. The red arrow must appear on the buy-sell magic indicator. The Parabolic SAR must paint an aqua dots below the bars. Exit position quick take profit. AU at 7 pips plus spread. EU at 9 pips plus spread. GU at 11 pips plus spread. Place initial stop loss on the previous swing. After gaining 6 pips for AU, move stop loss at the entry point. After gaining 7 pips for EU, move stop loss at the entry point. After gaining 9 pips for GU, move stop loss at the entry point. Dear friends, in this article, we will talk about the Parabolic SAR indicator. Unlike the previously discussed stochastic and MACD oscillators, it is designed to accurately determine trend direction and the point of reversal with an accuracy of 1 bar. The Parabolic SAR indicator is one of the most efficient technical trading systems and it is used by most inventors to analyze the price action and the trend direction. All the indicators play a crucial role, but you must have the basic ability to spot the SR levels. This will give you the ability to ignore the signals created in the random place due to intense volatility and lower time frame trading method. 3 important parameters need to be filled to take the long trade. The dashed line in the zigzag indicator will identify the end phase of the retracement and trending move. If the dashed line stop falling further down and the purple line dot above the candle stop forming after the price hit the support, you have to get ready for the buy setup. A lime green upward arrow will appear at the support level and the aqua colored dot will be created on the bottom of the bar or candle. Take your long trade after you see this setup. The stop will be 15 pips and the TP is 30 pips. The short trades is the option when the price hit major resistance. The zigzag line will be at the end and you will notice a big purple dot above the candle after the series of the aqua candle. Take the short with 15 pip and TP is 30 pips. When you use this method, be careful about the time selection. The minimum time frame for this system is the 15-minute chart. If you intend to scalp in the lower chart, you have to rely on PA. PA method can significantly improve your scalping system. It needs to be used when the 1-minute or 5-minute chart is scalped. The lot size of the trade should be scaled accordingly so that the maximum risk is not more than 2%. If the safety protocol is followed, You can win some of the big trades easily with this method. This is an trend following scalping system multi-time frame based on the Parabolic Sar indicator. The main feature